Research is hard, but your tools should not be. Subthesis.com is the free alternative to expensive software. Whether you need to calculate Chromebox alpha or organize your field notes, Subthesis has a tool for it. No paywalls and no registration required. Check the link in the description and let's dive into today's lesson. Welcome back to the PM Playbook. Artificial intelligence is transforming project management. Today we explore practical AI tools you can use to work more effectively. This isn't about replacing project managers, it's about augmenting your capabilities. Let's set expectations. AI assists project managers. It doesn't replace human judgment. The core of project management, navigating politics, motivating teams, making decisions under uncertainty, remains deeply human. AI excels at automating routine tasks. Why spend hours on status report formatting when AI can do it in seconds? It analyzes data at scale, patterns in hundreds of past projects that you'd never spot manually. It enables faster, better decisions by providing information and analysis quickly. AI tools fall into several categories. Generative AI creates content from draft communications to documentation to code. Predictive AI forecasts outcomes like schedule delays or budget overruns based on historical patterns. Assistive AI handles routine tasks like meeting scheduling, note-taking, and action tracking. Analytical AI finds patterns and insights in project data that humans would miss. Different tools serve different purposes. We'll explore practical applications in each category. Let's start with generative AI for writing and documentation. This is where most project managers first encounter useful AI. AI writing assistants can draft status reports from bullet points of progress. You provide the key facts. AI structures them professionally. They create meeting agendas from objectives and summaries from transcripts. They generate documentation from rough notes, and they improve clarity and tone of communications, making your emails more professional or more casual as needed. The key is providing good input. AI output quality depends on input quality. Getting good results from AI requires effective prompting. Be specific about what you need. Not write a status report, but write a one-page status report for executive stakeholders covering project progress, risks, and decisions needed. Provide context and examples. Share your company's typical format or tone. Specify format and length, bullets or paragraphs, 500 words or 100. Iterate and refine. First drafts rarely perfect. Ask for revisions until the output meets your needs. AI-powered meeting tools transcribe automatically. You no longer need a dedicated note-taker. Summary generation creates concise meeting recaps from lengthy discussions. Action item extraction identifies commitments made during the meeting and who made them. Searchable archives let you find what was discussed in any meeting. These tools save hours weekly on meeting documentation while improving accuracy. AI can improve planning and estimation by learning from historical data. Predictive scheduling analyzes historical project data. How long did similar tasks take in past projects? It identifies patterns in delays and overruns. Database tasks consistently take 50% longer than estimated. AI spots that. It generates more accurate estimates based on patterns, not optimism. It highlights high-risk tasks that historically cause problems. This shifts estimation from guessing to data-driven prediction. AI assists resource optimization by analyzing team capacity and utilization across projects. It predicts resource conflicts before they occur. Developer X is overallocated next month. It suggests optimal assignments based on skills, availability, and historical performance. It helps balance workloads so some team members aren't overloaded while others are underutilized. Resource management at scale is complex. AI handles the analysis. Risk prediction uses pattern recognition from past projects. Projects with these characteristics historically face these problems. AI provides early warning signals. Current project data suggests elevated risk for schedule slippage. It generates probability estimates for risks based on data, not gut feeling. Some tools suggest mitigation strategies that worked in similar situations. This moves risk management from reactive to genuinely predictive. During project execution, AI tools support daily operations. Intelligent assistants answer questions about project status. What's the budget variance on Phase 2? They find information across project documents. Where did we document the API requirements? They schedule meetings considering time zone constraints, availability, and preferences. They send reminders about upcoming deadlines and follow up on overdue actions. Think of them as always available project coordinators. Automated tracking pulls status from connected tools. When code is committed, the task is automatically updated. It tracks progress without requiring team members to manually update spreadsheets. It identifies stalled work that hasn't progressed as expected, and it generates dashboards automatically from live data. This reduces administrative overhead while improving data accuracy. AI enhances communication in several ways. It suggests email recipients based on the topic. Who needs to know about this budget change? It drafts responses to common queries. Similar questions get similar answers consistently. It translates across languages for global teams, and it adapts tone for different audiences, more formal for executives, more casual for the team. Let's discuss how to practically adopt AI tools in your project management practice. If you're new to AI tools, start with writing and documentation. These tools are mature and immediately useful. Experiment with free or low-cost tools before committing to expensive platforms. Start small. Try AI for one task, like drafting status reports. Learn what works, then expand to other uses. Build a library of prompts that work for your specific needs. Good prompts are assets worth saving. Be aware of risks and limitations. AI can be confidently wrong. It may produce plausible sounding but incorrect information. Always verify. Confidentiality concerns exist with cloud AI. Don't input sensitive data into public AI tools without understanding where it goes. Over-reliance on automation atrophies your skills. Use AI to enhance, not replace your thinking. Maintain critical thinking. AI is a tool, not an oracle. The future project manager uses AI for routine tasks, freeing time for what humans do best, more time for leadership, relationship building, and strategic thinking. Data literacy becomes essential. You need to understand what AI is telling you and when to trust it. This isn't a threat, it's an opportunity. PMs who embrace these tools will be more effective than those who don't. Let's apply this. List the tasks that consume your time each week: status reports, meeting notes, schedule updates, communication. Which of these are routine and repetitive? Which could AI assist with based on what we discussed? And importantly, what would you do with the time saved? More stakeholder engagement, better risk management. The goal isn't just efficiency, it's redirecting time to higher value work. Let's summarize. AI augments project managers. It handles routine tasks while you focus on judgment and leadership. Start with writing and documentation tools. They're mature and immediately useful. Always verify AI outputs. Don't trust blindly. Maintain your critical thinking. Embrace these tools to free yourself for higher value work. The PMs who thrive will be those who leverage AI effectively. In our final lecture, we discuss career progression. How do you move from project manager to program manager to director? What skills do you need to develop? We'll close the PM playbook with a roadmap for your career growth. Thank you for exploring AI tools with me. Technology is changing our profession. Embrace it as an opportunity. I'll see you in our final lecture. Research is hard, but your tools should not be. Subthesis.com is the free alternative to expensive software. Whether you need to calculate Chromebox alpha or organize your field notes, Subthesis has a tool for it. No paywalls and no registration required. Check the link in the description and let's dive into today's lesson.